care, care, care. Noun. Definition: the provision of what is necessary for the health, welfare, maintenance, and protection of someone or something. Example: the care of the elderly. Noun. Definition: serious attention or consideration applied to doing something correctly or to avoid damage or risk. Example: he planned his departure with great care. Intransitive verb. Definition: feel concern or interest, attach importance to something. Example: they don't care about human life. Intransitive verb. Definition: look after and provide for the needs of. Example: he has numerous animals to care for.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.